In today's video, we are going to cover how to create a custom activity description in Clio Manage. You will start from inside Clio Manage already signed into your account. From the left navigation menu, click Activities. This opens the area where you can create and manage time entries tied to your matters and work records. Next, click New Time Entry. This opens a new entry form where you can record the details of the activity you want to save. In the Matter field, select the matter associated with the activity. Make sure you choose the correct matter before moving on, since the description you enter will be attached to that record. After that, enter the date for the work and the duration of the time entry. These fields define when the activity took place and how much time is being recorded. Once those details are in place, select the appropriate activity category. The category should match the type of work you are logging, so the entry is organized correctly. Now move to the description field. This is where you can enter the custom activity description you want to use. Type the wording you want to appear for this time entry. This description can be specific to the task you completed, and it can be written in the format that fits your internal record keeping. With the description entered, complete any other required information on the time entry form. The exact fields may vary depending on your setup, so review the form and fill in anything Clio Manage requires before saving. When everything is complete, click Save Entry. This saves the activity along with the custom description you entered, so the time entry is now recorded in Clio Manage. If you want to reuse the same description text in future entries, move to the left navigation menu and click Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Personal section, then click Text Snippets. This area lets you store reusable text that you can insert again later instead of typing the same description each time. Create a new text snippet and enter the activity description you want to reuse. Save the snippet once the text is in place. The saved snippet can then be used in future activity descriptions whenever you create another time entry. When you are entering descriptions for future activities, use that saved text snippet to place the reusable wording into the description field. This helps keep repeated activity language consistent across entries while still allowing you to work from the same approved text each time it is needed. Thanks for watching. Your custom activity description has been created and saved in Clio Manage with a reusable text snippet available for future time entries.